2014 GMC ACADIA SLT1 in beige. Hot options include leather seats, heated seats, third-row seating, power locks, power windows, automatic climate control, power seats, alloy wheels, all-wheel drive, and past rigorous safety inspection performed by certified technician. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this good-looking 2014 GMC ACADIA. Climb into the superb GMC ACADIA, knowing that it will always get you where you need to go, on time, every time. Don't miss your chance to save big at Moses Factory Outlet, Teays Valley.